Hi everyone and welcome back. Okay, y'all, I told y'all I have to get around making these videos more often because I don't get to use this stuff until I do. And yes, I jumped on the FabFitFun bandwagon. It has been a year. My first box, I bought just the box. And then I loved it so much, I went ahead and did the annual subscription, which means you get to be a VIP. If you want to know how to become a VIP and the perks of becoming a VIP, stick around to the end of the video. In the meantime, let's get into this box. It's been sitting here for weeks, I don't know, 2 or 3 weeks, because I don't open them when I know it's something that I want to share with y'all. So some of these things I'll remember that I ordered, and other things I won't have remembered and I'll be surprised about, but I do remember this. This is the Afterspa hair towel. I'll put the retail value for everything below in the description. But I've had these before and I don't know what happens to them, but they are great. You know, they are hair towels that absorb all the water so that your hair dries more quickly. But a tip is, if you don't have to use these only for wet hair, if you want to give yourself a facial, this is a great way to just pull all of your hair back out of the way and feel like you're at a spa. Okay, here's Aromatherapy. This is from Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relax Roller Ball, and I love roller balls. If you're really interested in knowing more about roller balls or making roller balls, let me know. We can do a video on that. It's one of my favorite things. Let's see. Has a metal tip, which is really nice. It smells like a cologne. Let's see. Deep Relaxing Blend Chamomile, vetiver, and sandalwood. That's what I'm smelling, the sandalwood, and I love vetiver as well. So excited to have this. I have so many roller balls, it's really kind of like an addiction. So AVEDA Damage Remedy Hair. So you will find in this box will be name brands that you are very familiar with and excited to get because it's a huge value, and then brands that you haven't heard about, which is why I love the box, because it's sort of like a discovery box. Here's a body souffle from Humankind. This is a product out of Belgium. It says it has natural, no animal testing, suitable for vegans, ethically sourced, and paraben free. The things you'll see is sometimes you have two products to choose from and you're not sure if it's green beauty or not. They do list the ingredients, and then you can also go to that company's website and do a little research yourself and decide if it's something that you want to buy or not. The other workaround that I have found, since this is not a green beauty box, but they do a good job giving you some options, is I will just pick products that are not beauty at all, such as a cheese board. So home-wise, there's usually always some type of kitchen item. Here's a great little cheese board made from acacia wood, and it's ceramic and stainless steel. How cute is this? So how cute is this? Exfoliating sugar cubes. It says Juice Cleanse by Harper and Ari. Exfoliating sugar cubes. This was included in every box. If I have a choice in products, I always go for the green beauty one, but there are products that they put in here that are not true green beauty. Like, I can tell automatically looking at this because it has propylene glycol in it, although it does have some great things. It's got aloe vera and shea butter, but it also has sodium lauryl sulfate, parfum, so we never know if it has parfum, which usually that is synthetic based, and which means it's a phthalate, which is one of the things we want to avoid. I have learned not to be so extreme for something like this. This isn't something I'm going to be rubbing all over my body, and not something I'm going to be using on a daily basis. This is something I'm going to use on my feet, pretty much in the shower on my feet, and it's going to be rinsed out. So I look forward to trying something like this because it's very different, and it's one of the great things about the box is you get to discover and try things that you normally wouldn't. This was something else that was in the box that I was excited about, and this is from Cosmedix Pure C. It's vitamin C mineral crystals. You will mix this each time to create your vitamin C serum. And last but not least, y'all, these boxes are amazing. They're guaranteed to be worth at least $200. Every box I've ever had was closer to $300, if not over $300. Guess what's in this box? Y'all, it is a flat iron. There's actually a flat iron in here. This flat iron is an $80 value. It's by Amika, or Amika. So, I mean, how great is this? Of course, I already have one at home. I didn't need another one, but you know what I'm going to do with this one? I'm going to keep this one in my suitcase. So then I never have to worry when I travel. It's less to pack because it's already going to be in there. Well, kudos to them. The temperature settings, recommendations for different thickness and texture hair are right here on the card. So, I promise you, if you stuck around to the end, I tell you how to be a VIP and the perks of being a VIP. So, as I mentioned, you can subscribe to the box for $49.99 a month. You can get your first box for $15 off with this code. I'll post it below. And I also have a link because when you become a member, when you sign up, they're going to give you a refer a friend code. So a friend can get $15 at any time with that one link. And then just pay $49.99 every quarter. So once every 3 months. Or you can be a VIP by paying for the annual subscription for 4 boxes up front. I think it's $179. I'll double check. I'll put it in the description below. Becoming a VIP, you get early access for every new box that's coming out. You get to go in and customize your box before regular members that are just paying 1 quarter at a time. So they will send you an email to let you know that the next box is coming out, to save the date for the early access, to customize your box. In every box, there's some products that everyone gets, and then there's always a bunch of products that you can customize yourself. You get to pick and choose between 2 or 3 different items, and they'll have, 5 or 6 of those. It just depends on the box. Another perk of being a VIP is they do something called edit sales. So it's up to 70% off of their most popular items and additional items that you may have seen in a box. And so you get early access to those before they're released, before access is granted to the regular quarterly subscription members. And then there's also add-ons. So when a new box is coming out, like this was the fall box, when the winter box comes out, you get the opportunity to shop from hundreds of products that you can add on at super cheap discounts as well. And then those will come not inside your box, they will come in the larger box that your box is packaged in. So for example, my add-ons that I had for my fall box, the Skin Owl body and face sort of oil. It's like real shimmery, but this is a clean beauty brand. I got to get this as an early access add-on. It's wonderful. It's a great way to try it. And then the Better Skin Lava Mask. This was an add-on that I was also able to get. Now this was an item that you were able to choose in this box, but it was also an add-on. So I decided to get it as an add-on, so I had an extra choice inside the box. So all in all, I know $170 something seems like a lot at one time, but when you consider this is 4 times a year, and every time I've gotten, my boxes have been worth almost $300, if not over $300. That's over $1,000. I'm paying less than 20% for all of this stuff. And the additional items that you get and save at up to 70% off. So whether it's items you're purchasing for yourself or that you're buying for gifts for others, with birthdays and Mother's Days and bosses days and professional administrative days and just friends and just because kind of gifts that you're going to buy throughout the year, you can buy those at a huge savings through your FabFitFun subscription. So if you're a VIP, you get that early access because these items sell out quickly. There's tons of other perks of being a FabFitFun member, including different videos and exercise videos and things like that that you can just have with you on your iPhone and travel with. So if it's something that interests you, check out the website and definitely use the code to save $15 on your first box. So hope y'all enjoyed this walkthrough of FabFitFun. Hope you join on the bandwagon too, and y'all have a great day.